Hi, I'm Lisa McCrossin with Ivester Jackson Christie's. Welcome to my newest listing in Longview Country Club. We are here at 305 Belle Meade Court. This is a stunning custom Arcadia home with a great wrought iron gate entrance. It leads to the courtyard as well as your front door. Step inside this door and you have entered your own private guest quarters, or maybe you could use this space for an office, an art studio, or even an exercise room. I love the open floor plan in this home. You can be here in the kitchen preparing your meals and still feel like a part of whatever's going on. And this kitchen island is fantastic for entertaining. This oversized master bedroom is on the main floor. It's got vaulted ceilings and amazing golf course views. This outdoor porch has invisible netting, which truly brings the outside in, and it's a great place to entertain. You've got this built-in grill close to the kitchen window, which slides open for easy access to your food. Another fabulous feature of this gorgeous home is the amazing golf course views. You get them from the great room, from this golf terrace, and from the screened-in porch. If you'd like to see more of this stunning home, I'd love to show it. Please contact me for your private showing.